I'm going to start Grammar Connect book for class 4. I'm opening the chapter number 3. Earlier I have discussed about chapter number 3 and chapter number 2, countable and uncountable noun. Today I'm going to discuss about collective nouns. Before starting this chapter, we have to understand what is collective. The term collective comes from collect. Collect means it is a kind of group. You can take it as a group, as team. Like it's one of the form of noun. We know that in noun there are 5 forms: proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Today we are going to discuss about the collective nouns. So you have to remember it is one kind of naming word, but it indicates any group, any bunch, any team, etc. It takes various kinds of names in the question of animals, in the people, in the place of things, any kind of things and places. For example, a bunch of keys, a pack of cards, etc. So here the definition is given. A collective noun is a noun which describes a group of people, things, or animals as a single unit. As a single unit. Although collective nouns is the term that includes plural form, it may seems like plural, but you have to take it as singular form. Team, whatever 1 to 11 players plays in a team. The word team is singular, but 11 players are included in a team. That is called the collective nouns. A collective noun is a noun which describes a group of people, things, or animals as a single unit. Okay, here is a list some commonly used collective nouns for animals, people, and things. Look at the page number 13. Look at the page number 13. In this page you have to learn all the collective forms for the animals, for people, and things. It will help you not only for this class but also it will help you in the future classes. For example, a gable or skein of geese, a parliament of owls, a pride of lions, then a school of hippos, a school of hippos, a kennel of dogs, a swarm of rats, etc. After completing this, we will go for chapter number page number 14. Match the collective nouns with their respective groups. One has been done for you. Here is the matching. Okay, you have to match it. Underline the collective nouns in each sentence. One has been done for you. A colony of ants was busy collecting food for winter. A colony of ants, for example, colony. A band of musicians gathered in the hall. Band is collective nouns. A gaggle of geese, gaggle is collective noun. We saw a school of fish, school, collective noun. There is a galaxy of stars. Galaxy is a collective noun. A troop of artists, troop is the collective noun. Now here some given other examples. Another activity is given here. See, some examples are given and you have to choose the example and fill in the blanks. A dash of football players enter the sports field. A team of obviously it will be team of players. I saw dash sheep gazing in the field. Now you have to do all this homework as a homework and show me whatever next day or whenever you can complete this. If you do not do this, I will help you to complete it. Okay. Next, page number 15. Underline the collective nouns in the passage. That passage is given. Okay, you have to select the underline. You have to underline the collective nouns. One day, Sneha and her brother Anuj took their litter of puppies. Litter is the collective noun, for a walk in the woods. One of the puppies was frisky and escaped from Sneha's hand. It was a brood of chickens. Brood is a collective noun. Brood of chickens walking by stopped to stare at them. Sneha called out to her puppy, "Come on, Tuffy, don't you want to see that herd of sweet cows?" But Tuffy shook his head and ran ahead to see the colony of rabbits. Colony is the collective noun. The rabbit saw him picking and ran deep into the forest. So you have to read this passage and underline it. Take it as homework also. After complete this chapter, we will go for the test. We will take test from 1, 2 and 3 after complete this chapter. So students, please do your homework and show me. Okay, or if you have any problem, you know my number, you can phone me also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.